Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.